Using QuickBooks for free is possible through a 30-day free trial period offered by Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks. To get started, go to the QuickBooks website and sign up for the free trial. You will need to provide some basic business information and create a user account. Once you have signed up, you will have access to the full version of QuickBooks for 30 days, with all the features and functionality of the paid version. This includes tools for tracking income and expenses, managing invoices and payments, and generating financial reports. To make the most of your free trial, start by setting up your company file. This involves entering your business name, address, and other basic information. You will also need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the different accounts you use to track your income and expenses. Next, start tracking your income and expenses by entering transactions into QuickBooks. This can include invoices, payments, and other financial activities. You can also use QuickBooks to manage your invoices and payments, including sending reminders and tracking overdue payments. In addition to tracking income and expenses, QuickBooks also allows you to generate financial reports, such as balance sheets and profit and loss statements. These reports can help you understand your business's financial position and make informed decisions about how to move forward. Throughout the free trial period, you will have access to QuickBooks customer support, including online resources and phone support. This can be helpful if you have questions or need help getting started with the software. At the end of the 30-day free trial period, you will have the option to purchase a subscription to QuickBooks or cancel your account. If you choose to cancel, you will no longer have access to your company file or any of the data you entered during the free trial period. It is also worth noting that Intuit offers a free version of QuickBooks called QuickBooks Simple Start. However, it has limited features and is only suitable for very small businesses or sole traders. Overall, using QuickBooks for free is a great way to try out the software and see if it is right for your business. With its comprehensive set of features and tools, QuickBooks can help you manage your finances and make informed decisions about your business.